Hi everyone, Mr. Janssen here. Today we are going to be working on your 6-note scale on the trumpet. Now the 6-note scale adds 2 new notes, one at the top of the 5-note scale and one at the bottom of the 5-note scale. Before we begin on the 6-note scale, let's use our 5-note scale as a warm-up. Let's play our 5-note scale on whole notes with our metronome set at 80 beats per minute. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Nice job. Good warm-up. First, let's talk about the new notes that are incorporated in the 6-note scale. In the 6-note scale, you play one new high note, which is the note A, with first and second valve. It sounds like this. You also play a new low note, the note B natural, which is just your second valve. It sounds like this. Now let's try playing our 6-note scale on whole notes. The way this is going to work is we're going to start playing our 5-note scale as normal, but after we play G with open, we're going to play a high A with first and second valve at the top of our scale. We will come back down to G, come back down our 5-note scale, and then we will play C, B natural, which is second valve, and then back to C. Let's give it a try. Let's play our 6-note scale on whole notes with our metronome set at 80 beats per minute. One, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Nice job. That sounded good. Now, if you're struggling to get out one of those high or low notes, here are some helpful exercises that you can do to help you get those notes out. First, let's talk about the high note A. Remember that on a brass instrument, you need to blow faster air as you get higher on the instrument. In this case, let's do an exercise where we start on a more comfortable note, open G with fast air, and then let's move to high A with first and second valve. Let's do each one of those notes for 4 beats. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, ready, go. One issue that you may find is that you may, when going to the A with first and second valve, you may accidentally play the note E. If you're doing that, make sure that you're blowing nice fast air. Let's try that exercise one more time. Let's start on the note G, play that for 4 beats, then add our first and second valve for the note A, play that for 4 beats, and then back to our comfortable note G for 4 beats. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, ready, go. Next, let's talk about our low note B natural. On a brass instrument, when you play low, you need to think very slow air. In this case, let's start on our open C note and add our second valve without taking a breath and go back to C to hear how those notes slide into each other. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, ready. Do you see that just by adding your second valve, you kind of slide into that note? Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's try playing our 6-note scale on half notes, which each get 2 beats. Let's play our 6-note scale on half notes with our metronome set at 80 beats per minute. Let's give it a try. One, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Nice job. Keep practicing your 6-note scale on whole notes, half notes, and if you get really good, try playing it on quarter notes. Happy practicing.